Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be carving a custom ordered bear out of this piece here behind me. If that's something you guys are interested in, be sure to stick around. I'm going to be carving a bear leaning on a tree. The goal is to have him holding a revolver, and we want to be able to mount a mailbox, possibly one of those square ones here, or mount a bigger one on top. Not sure yet. I'm going to kind of leave it up to the customer once the piece is done. They also want me to carve "We Don't Call 911" down the tree trunk, so I'll do that also. The plan is just bust out the gas saws, get this thing blocked out, possibly use the battery saws to clean it up, and the power tools. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, don't go anywhere. I'm going to kick this into some high speed. We're going to start making some big cuts. Alright guys, check out the bear. All saw work up until this point. We got the gun, we got them all roughed out. Might use the saw here a little bit to get the face or the mouth and the lip done. I'm not quite sure yet what I want to do, so I got to think about that. But while I'm here, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you are learning to carve or you want to learn to carve, check out the links below to the tools that I'm using. It's an Amazon link, a bunch of them actually, and when I get into using the power tools, it'll be the links to all of that. I can't have links to the saws at the moment because, well, I just don't have any, but you can get links to the power tools I'll be using shortly, so be sure to check those out. You guys can also purchase my work through the Etsy store that I have linked below. Follow me through Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All links are below. Let's continue to work on this piece. Maybe we'll even get it done. Let's see what happens. Well guys, check it out. This is the bear we've been working on. This is a custom order. It's what the customer wanted. We don't call 911. He's got his revolver down here in hand. A little snarl going. Get the eyes done. We got a mailbox. It's not quite mounted yet, but it will be mounted on top there. Figured I'd give you guys at least a walk around. This has been one piece, half a log. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out the links I have below to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can follow me there. I've also got a link to my Etsy page where you can purchase some of my work. And yeah, this was a really fun piece. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.